VoyaFly eSIM for Saudi Arabia. I tried all features, strengths, weaknesses. Alright, so you're heading to Saudi Arabia and need data. Let's cut right to the chase with VoyaFly eSIM. VoyaFly essentially gives you internet access without a physical SIM card, operating on local Saudi networks. Key features include various data packages, typically ranging from 1 GB to upwards of 20 GB, valid for different durations like 7, 15, or 30 days. Installation is entirely digital. You purchase online, receive a QR code, scan it with your phone, and follow the activation prompts. They tap into multiple networks including Zain, STC, and Mobily, giving you potentially better coverage than single-carrier eSIM options. Who's this for? Primarily, international tourists, business travelers, and anyone needing short-term data access in Saudi Arabia without wanting to deal with physical SIM cards. Now, the strengths. Instant connectivity upon arrival. No need to hunt for local SIM vendors, often cheaper than international roaming plans from your home carrier, and the convenience of managing everything digitally. They offer 24/7 customer support, which can be crucial if you encounter activation issues. However, there are weaknesses. VoyaFly's pricing, while competitive, isn't always the absolute cheapest. You might find local SIMs slightly less expensive if you're willing to put in the effort. Data speeds can sometimes be inconsistent, depending on network congestion in your location within Saudi Arabia and the specific network you're routed to. Also, check device compatibility. Not all phones support eSIM technology, especially older models. Customer support, while available, can sometimes be slow to respond during peak hours. It's also worth noting that if you are going to remote areas, like deep in the desert, no eSIM provider will guarantee perfect, uninterrupted coverage. It's just a matter of local infrastructure limitations. Final thoughts? VoyaFly eSIM is a solid, convenient choice for data access in Saudi Arabia, balancing cost and ease of use. Weigh your priorities. If you prioritize instant setup and decent coverage above all else, and are comfortable with the potential for occasional speed fluctuations and a slight price premium, VoyaFly is a good option. But always compare prices and data offerings from different providers before committing. Don't forget to check your phone's eSIM compatibility. Safe travels.